Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Price changes can flip both effects fast, so watch this quick econ solve on solar panels and lock the correct choice without getting trapped. When the price of solar panels rises, the substitution effect pushes Maria away from solar panels because they are now relatively more expensive than other choices, so quantity demanded falls. Because solar panels are a normal good, the price increase also reduces Maria's real purchasing power, and that income effect lowers how many solar panels she wants to buy. Therefore, both effects point the same way. The substitution effect decreases quantity demanded, and the income effect also decreases quantity demanded, making option E correct. Well done! You nailed it! Scan now, watch the signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given normal good fact and check both effects step by step.